हेलो एंड वेलकम टू दिस चैनल। डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करने वाला है द मीनिंग ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स एंड ऑल्सो वी विल डिस्कस हियर द डिफरेंट डेफिनेशंस ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स गिवन बाय डिफरेंट इकोनॉमिस्ट। Dear student, you know so many things about economics, but sometimes you face problem when somebody asks you what is the meaning of economics. So that's why I have decided to make a video on this topic. And the student, those who feel that economics is a tough subject, please forget the line and subscribe this channel, because here in this channel you will get all the solutions of economics. Our team, we are trying to cover all the topics of economics, so please subscribe the channel and let us enjoy the learning. Dear student, let me tell you first, the term economics has been derived from the Greek words oikos and nomos. Oikos means household and nomos means management. So economics is equal to household management. Dear student, we are human being and our wants is unlimited, our desire is unlimited, but we have limited resources. So economics studies how can we fulfill our unlimited wants, our unlimited desires by these limited resources. Here you can see on the screen, economics is the study of the relationship between unlimited human wants and limited amount of resources to maximize the satisfaction of every unit of an economy. In very simple words, please try to understand. In very simple words, economics is how we allocate scarce resources to fulfill unlimited wants and desires. In other words, we can say that economics is a subject in which economic activities of people, both individual level and the level of society as a whole, are studied. Let me tell you once again so that you will never and ever forget the meaning of economics. Dear student, we are human beings and our wants is unlimited. Our desires is unlimited. Economics studies how can we fulfill the unlimited wants of ours, the unlimited desires by these limited resources. Here on the screen you can see some definitions are here given by different economists. Actually, the definitions of economics given by different economists, and it can be classified into four main groups. Our first definition is wealth definitions of economics, and this definition is given by Adam Smith, who is known as the father of economics. Adam Smith, in his famous book An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of the Wealth of Nations, this book, it was published in the year 1776. In this book, he defined economics as the science of wealth. According to Adam Smith, economics is the science of wealth. And the second definition is welfare definition. This definition is given by Alfred Marshall, and this definition is called welfare based definitions of economics. According to Alfred Marshall, economics is the study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. And the next definition, the scarcity definitions of economics. This definition is given by Professor Lionel Robbins. According to Professor Lionel Robbins, economics is a science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. And the last definitions, growth definitions of economics. This definition is given by Paul A. Samuelson. Actually, Samuelson, he gave a modified version of scarcity definitions, and which is called the growth oriented definitions of economics. Dear student, I hope all of you understood the meaning of economics. Let me repeat once again. Economics is the study of the relationship between unlimited human wants and the limited amount of resources to maximize the satisfaction of every unit of an economy. As you know that we are human beings, our wants, our desires is unlimited, but we have limited resources. Economics studies how can we utilize these limited resources to fulfill the unlimited wants of human beings. So I hope all of you understood the meaning of economics. If you have any doubts regarding anything, please do comment in the comment box. Our team will try to reply on your comments. So thank you very much guys for watching this video.